you this week, how it went, and I also want to discuss an emotional moment that I got through this week as far as trading. But really today's topic is bringing emotions into your trading and how it is not a good idea to do. So that's what we're going to discuss today. Alright, so originally we were going to do this video here and have a puppy, my son's puppy, but then I decided against it because my wife is also upstairs and just didn't seem like it would be a good idea to do. So at any rate, discussing today with the emotional aspect of trading, and I want to really discuss how the trading, I had to alter it. Now, Monday was good, Tuesday was good, Wednesday was good. Thursday, I experienced some kind of emotional issue, personal issue, and that was brought into my trading. I noticed that I was impatient. Can you get off the bed, please? Unless you want to bring Gecko here. I was impatient. I also noticed that I was not making the trades that I wanted to make. In other words, the emotion got in the way of making the proper trades. Let me see Gecko. So this is Gecko, alright? And Gecko is very calm. So he knows how to be calm. And sometimes we have to be like Gecko. Just relax. So the bed is a relaxing place, and that's what I wanted to talk about. We need to find ways to calm down. If taking a nap is going to be your out, that's fine. If going out to the gym calms you down, then that's great. Reading a book in the library calms you down, then that's wonderful. Now, Thursday was a losing day for me. It should have been a winning day. The setup was there. The trade was there. I didn't react to it, like I said, because there was that issue of frustration, anger with a personal issue that I had. So I really wasn't focusing. But again, the Monday, the Tuesday, the Wednesday, and today made up for that mistake. So it was a good week. But just remember, the way, whether you want to trade good or whether you want to trade bad, everybody is going to get what they want through their trading. So if your mind is ready and you're confident to receive that monetary reward that comes from a lot of discipline, a good strategy, and experience, of course, is very important in the markets, because you can have a great strategy, but you also need that experience to learn from. So, and sometimes we have a lot of experience and we're still repeating those mistakes. So that's why I'm going ahead and I am reiterating this, so that someone out there can learn from it. So people sometimes will have a traumatic experience, or again, stressful time, or maybe it's something physical, or maybe someone in their life is sick, or someone, got frustrated over whatever it is. If you know that you are not feeling mentally up to par, then the best way to handle that is just to stay away from trading, or have a systematic approach. So let's say you're trading a particular indicator, just stick with that approach. In other words, if it crosses this line, I'm going to take a stop, and I'm going to take a trade with a particular target. and then you do a set and you do a forget, because then it doesn't matter what emotional state you're in. You can be in the worst mood of your life, but it really doesn't matter, because you have the stop and you have the target. So your emotion is not getting as involved as if you were taking a trade and then just watching it, feeling it out, and just kind of seeing how the momentum is. Excuse me. Many of us as day traders take those type of trades. We feel things out. We want to see, is this a real breakout? So, it breaks out of a particular resistance area or a support area. And we want to see, is this just a one quick pop of a stop run? So we watch and we learn and we re-implement what we have learned in the past in our future trades, and that helps us to get better. But once we bring that element of emotion in there, negative emotion, let's just say, that then affects your decision-making process, which could be detrimental. It can also be very positive if you're, emotionally feeling very positive. But in reality, feeling too positive is also detrimental to trading too. And feeling too negative is not. So what you want to do is you just want to find that nice median right in the middle, where you really become emotionless. And I've noticed when I get to that level, I am always doing the best that I can do. And once you get involved in the trade and you do get emotional, that's when the problems happen. So just, ego must depart from the trades. Keeping in mind that you lost the day before, whatever money it is, and you're like bringing that emotion into the next day, and you're saying, I'm going to make that money back. Well, chances are you're not, if you're trading to make the money back. It's a psychological impediment to success. But you want to take that day and you want to put it behind you, and then you just want to start off on a new slate. And if we do that every single day in trading, then trust me, you're going to get to the next level in trading. So we know that trading is very psychological. Some say it's like 95% psychological. Okay. I don't even know the percent breakdown. I can just say that it's very important. I mean, there's a saying that he who thinks he can't and he who thinks he can is both right. So now keep in mind, in trading it is different because we're not in control of the market. You say, in something like sales, we can say, I'm going to achieve 20 sales in the next week. And that can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, because remember, we are controlling our actions. But in trading, we are not. We are controlling our actions, yes, and that's the one thing that we have, but we're not controlling the market. So we can't will the market to happen like we can in an emotionally inspired job. So I hope this enlightened you to give some sort of an pointer, so to speak, to help you emotionally detract yourself from the markets. And I hope this helps.